Hello. I am Francis Royce. I am an NBA player and I live in Block 9, Lot 14, Brisbane Subdivision. And my ID is here. And I am good in playing basketball. Halika kasi dito, ano. And this is my brother, Patrick Harry Epseli. He is an NBA player, but
Saling pusa.
saling pusa. Yun lang, tapos na. Ay, mamaya pa. Pakita ko yung mga...
Bulatin mo nga sila. Kunwari walang ano. Kunwari mamaya.
And this is my shoe. And this Pansila.
Kunwari ano.
And this is my... Ay, oo. Alam pa.
Bulatin mo?
Oo, kunwari. Teka lang po, may pupuntahan pa po ako. Tingnan niyo po, baka may bugtog dumating. Oh, nagsalita yung kapatid ko. Sige, punta na kami, bye-bye. Joke lang, Mat. Teka lang.
Iyan ito mo to. Iyan mo binulakan mo. Ipakan mo to. Para yan, tabo lang. Ipapost mo yan?
Oo. Ayos na mga pads. Laro lang yun. Utak-utak din. Teka lang. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na ako po si Francis Roy Epseli. Ang pangarap ay NBA player. And lalamangan ko si LeBron James for Philippines.
Wait lang.
Wag na, Hari!
Mantigan yun. Mantigan.
At mga pads, ito yung part ng aking bolang astig.
Nabalig kayo?
Sorry, I'm not a taekwondo player, but I am an NBA player. And kunwari, kasali ako sa Miami Heat nung season 7. Kunwari, reporter at Francis Eli. Francis Eli, what do you say about the game yesterday? The game yesterday, it is very good. I am the best player there, and you know that I score 100 points, and my rebounds is 23, and my assist is 30, and that's it. And wait, I'm sorry for that. And LeBron James, it is very good, but I am the most epic player there. LeBron James and me is good player, but his points there, it is only 1. And do you know Dwayne Wade and Ray Allen? The score is only 1. And did you see that? Only 3 points. The Spurs lose because of me. And I am so very happy that I am so good in playing basketball. Do you know that? It's me, Francis. And wait, you know that I use these shoes? Because of these shoes, we won. And I use this brief. You know that? I'm sorry for that. I am Francis Eddy, don't forget me. I am the most epic, good, best, all for NBA player. You can beat me. You can beat me if you are 100 versus me. You know that? Huh? You can't beat me. Huh? Oh, I am the... Yes, okay, sir. Okay, Francis Ellie. That is good. And I know that you are so good, best all of the NBA player. And that's good. Okay, very nice. What do you say about that? Oh yes, it is okay for me. But please, just trust me if I am playing, because I am the best. The best. The best, best, best. You know that? Huh? You can beat me. You can beat me here. Wait. And we have a schedule for a basketball in September in City High. You know? Huh? Huh? I am best, 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 best. Yes. You can see me. See me. See me. See me. But wait. Wait. Do you know that I joined in Milo? Do you know that? Huh? 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 Milo. And I have something to say that LeBron James, this, do you see this headband? LeBron James give it to me because I am so very strong, best. Okay, sir. Thank you for that. It is finished. Thank you. Thank you for the interviewing for you. Goodbye. Okay. I am Francis Sylvie. Just trust me if I am playing, and it's done. Okay. Done. Joke lang ba? Stop ko na po.